All right, boys and girls, now we're gonna have our 3D shape lesson. These are our 3D shapes right here. They're different in many ways from your 2D shapes because they're not flat like pancakes, are they? They're called solid shapes. So we need to learn 4 shapes. So here we go. Our first one's an easy one. It's a sphere. It has an F sound, so you have to put your lips together and go sphere. There you go. Not a spear. That's a whole different thing. So sphere. A sphere is round. It's a lot like a circle where it has no points and no straight sides, but because it's solid, it can roll and move. A little different from a circle. All right, so sphere. Our next 3D shape is going to be our cone. I always think of an ice cream cone. Our cone has a point at the top. It's kind of rounded here. And then it also has a circle face on the bottom. They call it a face, kind of like your face. So it has a circle face on the bottom, point on the top, rounded on the outside. Cone. Alrighty. Our next one is a cube. Looks a lot like all the blocks that you guys like to build with. A cube is not round. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 points on top and 4 more on the bottom. 4 plus 4 makes 8. You got it. 8 points on our cube. It also has a square face, but it has more than one. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 1 on the back, 4, and 1 on each side, 5, 6. So 6 square faces and 8 points make up our cube. And our last solid shape to look at is the cylinder. A cylinder is cool. It's round. It definitely does not have any points. It can roll, a lot like that sphere, but it has 2 circle faces, one on the bottom and one on the top. So our cylinder here does not have any straight sides either. So let's take a look at some things that you might know that are these 3D shapes. Let's start with our sphere. The globe. The globe is a map of the earth. It's round, no straight sides, no points. It's an excellent example of our sphere. Might roll around. There we go. Of course, soccer balls, basketballs, all the fun balls you guys like to play with when you're playing sports, golf balls, baseballs, they're all spheres as well. Sometimes you ladies might string some beads. I've got one here that's shaped like a sphere. So there are lots of things that you might be able to find that roll and shape like a sphere. Let's take a look at the next shape. Let's try our cylinder. Cylinders. Got 2 here. First one is a can. It's round, but then it has your 2 circle faces on that cylinder can. And then we also have a glue stick. We use these all the time. Round, and then it has that circle face on each end. All right, let's take a look at some cones. I found 2 cones today. Of course, my favorite is the ice cream cone. I didn't have an ice cream cone, but if you like to have ice cream in a cone, that's a great example. Here's one also, party hats. Great cone. They have point at the top, rounded, circle shape at the bottom. And of course, safety cones. You see these out on the street when they're working on the street, or if you guys play sports, you might use these. They're also round, point at the top, circle face right here at the bottom. All right, and our last shape to share is the cube. I found a couple you might like. Dice. If you like to play games with dice, dice are shaped like a cube. It has the 6 square faces and the 8 points. And then we also found this with the Legos today. Nice cube shape. Has square faces, has our points. Now, you guys are going to take a look through your house this week and also do a 3D shape hunt. See if you can find some things that are shaped like cylinders, cones, spheres, and cubes. Good luck, boys and girls. Have fun!